Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut steel pipe using a reciprocating saw. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, this is lithium battery powered reciprocating saw and I have got a metal blade. It's quite old and its efficiency has been drastically decreased, no doubt. So when you do it actually, like, you should have a clamp to hold it as firmly as it can be, because the better grip you have, better control you will have on it. Because what happens with some saw that moves automatically, it generates a lot of vibration, and if you don't have a firm grip like a clamp on this, it may like move your cut away from the direction. And then you should have proper safety gear, like eye cover is most important, because it generates a lot of particles falling here and there. You don't want them to go get into your eyes, right? Hand gloves, don't use bare hand like this. And also you should have shoes. This is my garage, not my workshop, and I'm doing it at a very small scale. That's why I have not put those protections on, but definitely put those on. Okay, so first of all, find out where you're gonna make the cut. Okay, and then initially I would go for like slow, so that at least you can start direction. Like if you have marked already, it's much better. So I marked it already. Now I know where to put my blade on. Now when it moves, you can move it slightly up, down also, because then it will get better coverage with the blades. Okay, and then it's gonna be, so if you have already marked, that's always better. And as I said, grip is very important. Oh, battery is gone. I'm gonna change the battery and come back. So I've changed the battery. So once you get the mark, try to focus on the same mark, so that it does not go away. That's why I said, like, your grip is very important, and keep doing it. You can just move up, this, like this, slide also, that will give more cuts, and depending upon the shape, sometimes it could be very helpful. So after consistently doing that, now it's done. So again, have proper protections. Don't do very simply, and your grip is very important. If your grip is important and you can do it, again, some of you said this is not smooth. I know, because it was not clamped. Instead I just held on it and then I did it. But don't do it like this. If your clamp is good and if your grip is good, you are going to make excellent cuts. And again, you need specialized blade, like blades. The one that I use is was a metal blade, but it's old now. But anyway guys, you got an idea. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.